Welcome today to Lakeland Hyundai. Right behind me, 2020 Hyundai Palisade. Everything that you want in a car is right behind here. The most beautiful, elegant, luxurious vehicle on the market right now. It's hot. I mean, it really is hot. The engine's hot. But the car is hot itself. It's what you want. We're gonna go inside and take a look at all the features that are available for you in just a moment. All right, guys, and welcome back to the test drive of the 2020 Hyundai Palisade SUV. Over here we have memory seating. His and hers, his and his, hers and hers, father, son, daughter, anybody set their own controls for their own seating arrangements. Over here we have this new awesome feature that when you put your turning signal on, you can see the road to the side, so you don't have to turn your head, concentrate on the street ahead of you. Look at that, you can see the other side too. On top here we have a heads-up display, which you cannot see with the camera. However, I can see the speed limit on this road is 30 miles an hour. It's telling me that I'm gonna make a right at this light coming up. I can see my navigation available as it's programmed to let me know how to get back to the dealership. Over here, we have this new Talk Now feature, which if I have children in the back who can't hear me because they're bickering and whining and complaining about something, I do the press Talk Now. And now we're echoing in this car. Microphone is up front and everybody in the back can hear me. Shut up back there. Over here we also have dual climate control. I control my side, that person controls their side. Auto hold, a wonderful feature. You press it, auto hold comes on. Now it's in white, it'll go green when it's engaged when I come to a complete stop. What it does is it'll hold the brake for me, allow me to rest my foot while the car is standing still until I get ready to take off. All I'll do is start accelerating. And there's also a couple other features and safety features that we'll go over as this video continues. But for now, I want you to know that right now I just put on the lane departure, lane keep assist feature, and it's in green at the top, letting me know if I accidentally wasn't paying attention, the car is actually going to adjust the steering wheel for me and keep me in a straight path on the road. That's another safety feature. God forbid you drop something or you sneeze or you spilled your coffee. It's going to help you stay focused and relaxed and not having to worry about your family, because safety comes first for Hyundai. Now that we're back from our test drive, I want to let you know that there's many more features to go over, but you need to come in for the new test drive today at Lakeland Hyundai, lifetime warranty. Come see us today. Y'all have a good day. I got other test drives to worry about. Shut up back there.